Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. I am presenting to you a very well kept up 32-foot 2015 model Rinker. Bottom paint, excellent condition. Hull's nice and waxed. Open checkbook maintained. Nice sea deck. Snap-in carpet. Aft seating. Plenty of room for all your friends and family. Fridge on the aft deck. The seller is replacing all the gauges. Marine electronics. Stepping down into the salon. This turns into a table as well for your bed. Really nicely appointed. Got another fridge here in the galley. Stovetop, microwave. Good size aft bed. Nice, clean, good size head, washroom. Feel free to call, set an appointment if you'd like to see this clean boat. Happy to show it. This is going to be at Grand Haven SkipperBud's. Boat can be shown upon appointment. Thank you.